Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is a subsidiary or a branch of the House of Swiss Arabian. House of Swiss Arabian is one of the bigger houses or more well-known houses from the United Arab Emirates. They have been around for 50 years and they have a very extensive lineup in the Swiss Arabian brand, and also they have this subsidiary branch which is called Sapil. Usually they are the cheaper or lower price tier. I love House of Swiss Arabian reason because they put out amazing fragrances, smell good, quality is very high, and also they are very good value for money. For what you pay and what you get, is ratio is very high. And when you get something like this which is under 15 quid, yes, under 15 pounds for 100 ml, and this one in particular called Sapil Oud Al Hayat, and this is Eau de Parfum 100 ml for under 15 pounds. I had to get it and see how it goes. So before I do the unboxing and first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing you can't do anything about it. So it's a simple but again textured box with the Middle Eastern brands that always give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price, for the money you pay. Okay, so it's textured, very nice design to it. Attention to detail is always fantastic, especially for the price. And the bottle, look at the bottle is gorgeous, under 15 quid. Sometimes I wonder how do they do it. Quite a heavy bottle, very pretty design to it. Look at that, gorgeous coloring, dark blue to lighter blue. On top you have this embossed metal like design, but it's plastic, and the cap is plastic but it's quite a weight to it, and the atomizer is quite modern. Fantastic atomizer, very good. So how is the Oud Al Hayat by Sapil? First impression, here we go. Hi, what a smell! It smells much more expensive than 15 quid. Well, it is oud, as it says on the name, Oud Al Hayat, which means wood of life or woods of life. Mesmerizing. So no alcohol, no harshness, no synthetic, straight to the perfume, and the perfume here for under 15 pounds is a no-brainer to me. It's beautiful, it's very spicy, it's woody, it's oud, there's a floral aspect to it. Saffron, I can smell rose, I can smell patchouli, it's a bit earthy, it's a bit chocolatey. This patchouli in here is a bit of the side of chocolatey side of the patchouli, but overall how do they do it? Seriously, it's just beyond me, because look at the bottle and the box. That on its own it would cost you that much to produce. So they are doing a fantastic job. It's good for us consumers, especially for me. I love this kind of fragrances. I love oud fragrances, and it smells very good. Tiny bit of amberiness to it, little bit of warmth from amber, and also a little bit of leathery. The leather here is a little bit on the medicinal side, and the oud is not barnyardy, it's not you know, funky, it's not animalic. No, it's a very safe, moderate oud, but overall it smells very, very good. It's a little bit of smokiness to it as well. It's like come from something like an incense, and also it's a bit musky in the base, giving it that it's a bit of freshness to it as well. But overall, what for the price, again under £15, this is very, very good. Two thumbs up. I'm absolutely loving this fragrance. So to take away from this, this is oud fragrance, yes, but the oud is here very soft, is very palatable, is very likable, is very safe. Also there's a rose in here, also there's some other florals in the background. You get some incense giving us a tiny bit of smokiness, there's amber giving it warmth, and a little bit of musky in the base, also woody, come from that oud. But the oud here is, again, it's not a big massive oud, it's a palatable soft oud. A little bit of chocolatey coming from earthy chocolatey coming from the patchouli, and also overall it smells very oriental, it smells very eastern, it smells very Middle Eastern. But for the price I paid, this is absolute bargain. Yeah, very, very good. I'm enjoying it very much. Okay guys, so that was first impression. On next video I give you the updates, the longevity, the performance and things like that. But for first impression, first sniff, yes, yes, yes. This is definitely for mature, yeah, but it's done in a way that almost any age can wear it. So if you want a safe oud, if you want a palatable oud, if you want to westernized oud, this is a good way to start, especially for a price under 15 quid. It doesn't break the bank, but it smells good, it smells very nice, it smells palatable, it smells good quality, it smells good blend. And I would say this is occasionally